All right, it's your favorite boy back again. I wasn't gonna do a video with this one, but I got a diag on a 2016 Ford Escape. Okay, it came in with a P0316, I'll list it on the video, and a P0302. Okay, that's a misfire on startup and a misfire cylinder 2. In my experience, any time that you have the misfire on startup code and a misfire on cylinder 2 or 3 with these, it's going to be cylinder getting its, or the coolant getting into these cylinders. You can tell, especially with a low coolant level below the minimum and it's not been done. Oh man, here, we'll get another picture here because I found the leak inside the with my borescope. That's where the valve is. You can just see the coolant leaking through cylinder 2. It's like, hey man, okay, it's being weird, but here, we'll see if we can get a little more. You can just see it dripping. All right, I'm gonna reorient the borescope so we can see the actual cylinder. I don't know why it's acting like that. So you can look at the pistons as well. Okay. This thing's acting super dumb right now. Where's it plugged in at? Okay. See if I can grab this. You can see there's just some water down there on the piston. I don't know why this thing keeps acting funny right now. Okay, one more quick look and then we'll call it. But you can see there's just some coolant in the piston. So anytime you get a Ford Escape with the 1.6 liter turbo, that's going to be one of your first checks. Misfire on startup and cylinders 2 and 3 head gasket. Got to love a Ford.